I was going through Facebook yesterday and I came across this post of a guy referring to this as a tailor stamp. I decided to go to the comment section to check what people actually think about that post, and I saw that many people confirmed that that is actually a tailor stamp. So I saw many people even snapping and posting their own hand in the comment section to show that yes, they have it. This is a tailor thing. Every designer or every tailor should have this on their hand. That was what I found in the comment section. So I decided to make this video today because I know many people are suffering from this. They actually think it's a tailor thing, and in fact my boss used to cut his own with scissors. So you just hold the hand and hold scissors like this, cutting it because it was too much and he cannot deal with it. You have to cut it regularly, maybe once a month. His own was too much. And I saw in the comment section also, I also saw some people suggesting electric scissors. What if you cannot afford electric scissors? So in this video, I'll just give you some tips that will ease your life as a fashion designer. It is Stylebitt. Stylebitt is an application that is designed for fashion designer that allows you to take measurement and save order. So with Stylebitt, you can take measurement at any place and any time. With Stylebitt, you can also save orders, which allows you to know your total revenue later on. At any time you want to see your total revenue, you can see it and you can keep it hidden. Stylebitt also allow you to send invoice. With Stylebitt, you can send invoice to your customer. You can see any pending payment or even see any order that is about to overdue. There's more about Stylebitt, so I'll just leave the link in the comment section, description box, and also in my bio to download this application, the Stylebitt. So do that. For this video, I'll just show you. It's simple. Very simple. Many people use small scissors. Some even use scissors that is smaller than this. Yes, the scissors might be very sharp, but may not, and it is not for thick fabric. So you can't just use this scissors now to cut a thick fabric and you cut it comfortably. No, even if it will cut it, it will transfer the pressure back to your hand. So you don't want to use a small scissors to cut a big or a thick fabric. You want to use a big scissors to do that. And doing that again, I'll also advise you to always move this hand. Keep this one stagnant and move the upper one instead of doing both of them. By doing both of them, you are putting pressure on both the upper finger and this one. So just keep this one stagnant and move this up one. So these small scissors may be very sharp. In fact, this small scissors is sharper than this, but I know that these small scissors cannot cut a thick fabric. So whenever I want to cut a thick one, I'll just go for this one, and whenever I want to cut light fabric, I'll go for the small scissors because it will do it just as I want. So keep note of that. In fact, I used to have it on my finger before I discovered, even you can still see it here. I have it on this one. I don't know if it's visible. So I have it here. This one has been long, so now I don't even think of cutting, because how would I hold scissors and cut myself just because of that? I know it will not bring out blood, but it looks awkward. So check the comment section, the description box, or my bio, depending on where you are seeing this video, to download the Stylebitt app. And take note, get yourself a big scissors, or if you can afford an electric scissors, do that and save yourself from this